Tired of making repairs to your old AC and furnace? No problem. Contact the good people at Blow Heating and Air. The pros at Blow Heating and Air will come out to install your new furnace, coil, and AC in the same day. Now offering new Nest learning thermostats with every install. We will show you how to download the Nest app, get hooked up to Wi-Fi, and have your system up and running in no time. Now offering 0% financing. For more info, visit our website at blowhvac.com, or you can call us directly at 678-707-4509.